Hello kids, today I am going to tell 5th class maths 10th chapter, how much does it weigh? So before going to the topic, what do you mean by weight? See, whenever you go to some grocery shop, you want to buy vegetables. So how you'll be asking for that item? So give me 1 kg of dal, 1 kg of potatoes. Like that you'll be asking. Okay? So what is that 1 kg? That is nothing but weight of that particular item. Okay, so what is a weight? What do you mean by weight? Weight is a measure of how heavy an object is. Okay, how much heavy it is, that is nothing but the weight of that particular object. Okay, so understood what is weight? It is nothing but how much heavy it is, that is nothing but the weight of that particular object. Okay, in this chapter we'll be seeing about weights and how we measure, what are the units of weight. Okay, all these things we'll be seeing in this chapter. Now look into your textbooks. It is festival time and Raghu's mother is making 5 kgs of laddus. She gives Raghu this grocery list: Bengal gram flour 2 kgs, sugar 3 kgs, kishmish 200 grams, kaju 150 grams, badam 100 grams. So Raghu's mother want to make laddus. How many kgs? 5 kgs of laddus. For that she need all these things, all these items. Okay, she gave the list to Raghu. Okay. A. What is the total weight of dry fruits that Raghu has been asked to bring? So how much dry fruits, how much weight of dry fruits Raghu has been asked to bring? Okay. So let us see what are the dry fruits in the table given, in the list given. Kishmish, kaju, badam. All these things are dry fruits. So kishmish 200 grams, kaju 150 grams, badam 100 grams. So total how much? Add those three, you'll be getting 450 grams. That is 200 plus 150 plus 100. That is equals to 450 grams. Okay, so 450 grams of dry fruits she asked to bring. Okay. Next B bit. Write the items on the list in order of their weights from lightest to heaviest. So in the weights order, that is light weight to heavy weight, you have to write in that order. Okay, so already the list is given above, you can see. So the which is the lightest weight? 100 grams is least. So badam 100 grams. Next 150 grams is kaju. Next 200 grams is kishmish. Bengal gram flour is 2 kgs. Sugar is 3 kgs. Okay, so write this in this order. Okay, lightweight to heavyweight. So 100 grams is less weight, kgs are more. Okay, 1 kg is nothing but 1000 grams. Okay, so Bengal gram is 2 kgs and sugar is 3 kgs. So these are more weight. And badam, kaju, kismis are in grams. 100 grams, 150 grams, 200 grams. Okay, next 2 kgs, 3 kgs. So like this you have to write. Next C bit. If Raghu's mother had to make 10 kgs of laddus, then how much more of each item would Raghu have to buy from the store? Okay, for 5 kgs of laddu, the list is given. Suppose if she want to make 10 kgs of laddus, what is the weight of each and every item? So how much it will be? So 5 kgs means this is the list. For 10 kgs, it is doubled. Okay, laddu weight is doubled. So similarly all the items will be doubled. Okay, Bengal gram flour 2 kgs means it will be 4 kgs. Sugar 6 kgs. Kishmish 400 grams. Kaju 300 grams. Badam 200 grams. Okay, so all the items are doubled now. Okay, so instead of 5 kgs, if she wants 10 kgs, then the items will be doubled. The quantity will be doubled. Okay. Tea lovers. Pooja lives in Hyderabad with her parents. They all love having tea. They use 3 spoons of tea powder each time they make tea for the 3 of them. They take daily 3 times in a day. Each spoon holds about 5 grams of powder leaves. Okay, Pooja lives in Hyderabad with her parents. So totally 3 members are there. Mother, father and Pooja. Okay, they all will be having tea daily 3 times. Okay, so whenever they make tea, 3 spoons of tea powder they use. Each teaspoon is of 5 grams of powder leaves, that is the tea powder. Okay, so they will be drinking tea 3 times a day. Each time they use 3 spoons, and 1 spoon is nothing but 5 grams. Okay, in summer the family has tea 4 times in the day. A. How many grams of tea powder will they use on a summer day? So let us solve this problem. 1 spoon is nothing but 5 grams. Already we have seen previously. 1 spoon is 5 grams. So tea powder used each time is 3 spoons. Okay. Whenever they keep tea, 3 spoons of tea powder they'll use. So each spoon is 5 grams. So totally 3 into 5 is nothing but 15 grams. So once they'll make tea means 15 grams of tea powder is used. So in a summer day they'll be making tea 4 times a day. Okay, they'll drink tea 4 times a day. So totally how many grams they are using? So 15 grams into 4, that is equals to 60 grams. So in a summer day tea powder used is 60 grams. Next B bit. How much tea powder will they use in summer month? Is this more than 1 kg or less than 1 kg? Okay, already previously we have seen per day, per summer day they will be using 60 grams of tea powder. Okay, so summer month means if you take 1 month you will be having 30 days. So 30 into 60 grams. So that will be equals to 1800 grams. Already we know 1000 grams equals to 1 kg. So 1800 grams equals to 1 kg 800 grams, that is 1.8 kgs. Okay, so 1.8 kg is nothing but it is more than 1 kg. So in summer month they will be using 1 kg 800 grams, that is 1.8 kgs of tea powder, which is more than 1 kg. Okay, second question. In winter they make tea 6 times in the day. A bit. How many grams of tea powder will they use on a winter day? So already we have seen 1 spoon equals to 5 grams. And each time whenever they make tea, tea powder used is 3 spoons. That is nothing but 3 into 5, 15 grams. Already we have seen this part. So in winter day, they drink tea 6 times a day. Okay. Therefore, grams of tea powder used on a winter day is nothing but 15 into 6, that equals to 90 grams. Okay, so in a winter day they'll be using tea powder 90 grams of tea powder per day. Okay, next one, B bit. How much tea powder will they use in a winter month? Is this more than 1 kg or less than 1 kg? So already we have seen how to find out for per month. Okay, so on winter day they'll be using 90 grams per day. 90 grams they'll be using. So complete month how much they'll use tea powder? That is 30 into 90 grams, which is equals to 2700, that is 2700 grams, 2700 grams. So that is nothing but 2.7 kgs. Okay, so is it more than 1 kg or less than 1 kg? Yeah, it is more than 1 kg. Okay, 2 kgs 700 grams, that is nothing but 2.7 kgs, which is more than 1 kg. Okay, next do this. Go to your nearest grocery shop, hold the following objects and estimate their weight. Then read their weights and check your estimates. Item name soap, estimated weight, actual weight. So you hold a soap and how much weight it may be, you estimate it some weight. Okay, and check the weight on that soap. Okay, like that. Take a toothpaste, washing powder packet, rice sack, salt packet, red gram dal packet. Okay, all these packets you hold in your hand and estimate the weight and note down the weights, and after that you check the actual weights and you write the actual weights and compare both the weights. Okay. Next, at your home, which items in the kitchen are purchased in grams and which in kilograms? Okay, these two, 1 and 2, you have to do yourself. Okay, you write the estimated weight and actual weight for the first weight, and second one, in your kitchen you check which are in grams and which are in kilograms and write the names in the given boxes. Okay, these two you do yourself and write down the answers. Okay, the next part will continue next video. Bye kids.